It's a hot one. Holiday weekend. Moving the kennel and the other doghouse. Puppies are big enough they can't get out of the big kennel now, so we're gonna move the extra doghouse in here beside the big doghouse. Keep all 5 in the big kennel. Yeah. And we're gonna put the small kennel over top of the patio over there. So I need to work on the big kennel. I can put all the dogs in the little kennel. You can see how hard we're all working. I've got my Diet Coke and my cooler full of beer and sodas and lemonade. Figured it'd be a long project. Hope you enjoyed our video. You can see how hot these puppies are. Poor little Les just about lost all of his fur off his leg. They're all getting about that thin. So hot, they just keep losing all their hair. Except for Angelo. Angelo's just hanging in there. Yeah, you're just hanging in there, buddy. Okay. That's a good boy. You gonna say goodbye? Say like, share, and subscribe. Okay, Tiger, you tell him like, share, and subscribe. Come on, you're the talker. You tell him. Tell him, Tiger. Say like, share, and subscribe. Yeah, tell him. Tell him. No, she just wants to get by the water bucket. Okay, hope you enjoyed our video.